In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add smooth, professional transitions in Filmora X. To add transitions in Filmora X, first drag your videos and images to the timeline and arrange them in the desired order. Then, go to the Transitions tab, where you'll find a wide range of effects organized into categories such as fade and dissolve, zoom, slides, speed blur, split, light, camera, glitch, brush, particles, VFX, art, MG, warp, seasonal, and social media. Hover over any transition to preview it, then drag and drop it between two clips on the timeline. You can adjust the transition's duration by dragging its edges, or double-click it to fine-tune the settings. Using transitions creatively enhances your video's flow and visual appeal.